What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Jimmy, back with another video. Today we're going big, we're going bold, we're going Pop Tarts. But hold on, we're not just toasting these bad boys. We're taking Pop Tarts to a whole new level with 6 mind-blowing recipes that will change your snack game forever. Get ready to drool, because we've got ice cream sandwiches, s'mores, milkshakes, French toast, cheesecake bites, and even a freaking parfait, all made with the power of Pop Tarts. If you're ready to unleash your inner culinary genius, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the deliciousness. Let's get this Pop-Tart party started. Alright guys, first up, we're building the ultimate Pop-Tart ice cream sandwich. This is a classic for a reason and it's about to get super delicious. First things first, we need our Pop-Tarts. Any flavor will do, but I'm going with classic strawberry. Now grab your favorite ice cream. I'm feeling mint chocolate chip today because why not? Take a generous scoop of that ice cream and sandwich it between 2 Pop-Tarts. Don't be shy with the ice cream. We want this thing loaded. Once you've got your ice cream sandwich assembled, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and toss it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up. While that's chilling, let's talk toppings. Sprinkles, chocolate sauce, whipped cream, go wild. Once your sandwich is nice and solid, unwrap it, go crazy with your toppings, and take a massive bite. Boom! Pure Pop-Tart ice cream sandwich bliss. Next up, we're bringing the campfire indoors with our Tart Smores. This one's for all you chocolate, marshmallow, and graham cracker lovers out there. And trust me, it's about to get messy in the best way possible. First, grab your ingredients. Pop-Tarts, chocolate or s'mores flavor works best. Marshmallows and chocolate chips. You can also use Hershey's chocolate bars if you want to keep it traditional. Unwrap your Pop-Tart and place it on a microwave-safe plate. Now sprinkle a generous amount of chocolate chips or a broken piece of your chocolate bar right on top of the frosting. Next, it's marshmallow time. Place a few marshmallows on top of the chocolate, making sure to cover the entire Pop-Tart. Now for the fun part, microwave the whole thing for about 10 to 15 seconds or until the marshmallows are nice and gooey. Carefully remove it from the microwave. It's going to be hot. Let it cool for a minute, and then get ready for the most epic Pop-Tart s'more you've ever had. Alright guys, get your blenders ready, because we're about to create a Pop-Tart milkshake that will rock your world. This one's so simple, yet so incredibly delicious. First, choose your Pop-Tart flavor. I'm going with cookies and cream for this one, because who can resist that classic combo? Now crumble 1 Pop-Tart into your blender. Next, add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, a splash of milk, about 1/4 cup should do the trick, and a drizzle of chocolate syrup for an extra kick of flavor. Now put that lid on tight and blend it all up until it's smooth, creamy, and perfectly blended. Pour that milkshake magic into your favorite glass, top it off with some whipped cream, sprinkles, and maybe even a piece of your leftover Pop-Tart for good measure. Grab a straw and prepare to experience milkshake nirvana. Chapter 4. Level up your breakfast with Pop-Tart French Toast. Get ready to upgrade your breakfast game with this epic Pop-Tart French Toast recipe. It's the perfect way to start your day with a burst of flavor and a whole lot of fun. Grab your favorite Pop-Tarts. I'm going with brown sugar cinnamon for that ultimate French toast vibe. A couple of eggs, a splash of milk, some cinnamon sugar, and butter for cooking. Whisk together your eggs, milk, and a pinch of cinnamon sugar in a shallow dish. Now dip your Pop-Tart into the egg mixture, making sure both sides are nicely coated. Melt some butter in a pan over medium heat, and then carefully place your Pop-Tart in the pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until it's golden brown and crispy. Serve it up with a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of syrup, and some fresh fruit for the ultimate breakfast of champions. Chapter 5. Bite-sized Bliss Pop-Tart Cheesecake Bites. Get ready for a taste explosion with these incredible Pop-Tart cheesecake bites. They're the perfect combination of creamy, crunchy, and sweet, and they're surprisingly easy to make. First, grab a package of mini Pop-Tarts. Any flavor will do, but I'm using strawberry again because it's just too good. Now, in a bowl, combine a block of softened cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Take a mini Pop-Tart and spread a generous amount of the cream cheese mixture on top. You can either leave it open-faced or top it with another mini Pop-Tart for a sandwich effect. Once your bites are assembled, place them in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour to firm up. While they're chilling, melt some chocolate chips in the microwave or on a double boiler. Dip your chilled Pop-Tart cheesecake bites in the melted chocolate, place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and sprinkle them with some colorful sprinkles. Pop them back in the freezer for a few minutes to set, and then get ready to indulge in these bite-sized beauties. Chapter 6. Elegance in a Glass, the Pop Tart Parfait. It's time to get fancy with this elegant and surprisingly delicious Pop Tart Parfait. This one's perfect for a quick dessert or a special occasion treat. Grab your favorite flavor of Pop Tarts. I'm going with brown sugar cinnamon for a warm, comforting flavor, some vanilla yogurt, fresh fruit, berries work great, and a drizzle of honey. Start by crumbling your Pop Tart into a parfait glass or a small bowl. Next, layer in a generous spoonful of vanilla yogurt. Now it's time for your fruit. I'm using fresh raspberries and blueberries, but you can use any fruit you like. Layer the fruit on top of the yogurt. Repeat the layers with more crumbled Pop-Tart, yogurt, and fruit until your glass is full. Drizzle some honey over the top for an extra touch of sweetness, and get ready to dig into this beautiful and delicious Pop-Tart Parfait. Pop-Tart Paradise. There you have it, folks. 6 incredible Pop-Tart recipes that will take your taste buds on a wild ride. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun and delicious recipes. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes.